Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And my project was delayed. It might take a month or two, I think, because I'm making it for companies and much more to do. So today I have a tutorial to show you guys how a hacker performs phishing. Although this is the level 0 of cybersecurity, I mean this is nothing. But still, let's continue. I don't have content, so first, you have to install Termux from either F-Droid or the Termux website from GitHub. And after installing, you have to paste two commands. First one is package update. It will update the packages, and then package upgrade, PKG upgrade, that will upgrade the packages. I will try to keep the video as short as I can. I'm so tired from that project, like I'm working all day, all night in that project, but leave it. So, and then you have to install the git package install git. You can download the termux from here too. You can see the Android 7 plus, because Android 5 and 6 are too old now. And then you have to copy the ZPhisher's GitHub link and then go to termux, then paste git clone, and then the ZPhisher link that we copied. What it will do is it will clone the ZPhisher entire directory into your device. And now, since I have already installed it, I'll just change directory to the ZPhisher cd ZPhisher, and then there's a bash file zphisher.sh. You have to bash zphisher.sh, and that will start the program. And as you can see, it has started. It has many phishing pages like Instagram, Facebook, Discord, Twitter, and all. But I'll go with Instagram for now. For just so, I'll choose the local host, so it will start on the loopback address, that is 127.0.0.1, and there will be a port number, of course. And then you have, like, if you will send a Cloudflare link or ngrok link to somebody, they will open that link and it will show. As you can see, the Instagram has opened. And so now what will happen is, if he or she insert anything on it, it will directly open Instagram. After giving you the password, it redirects to Instagram after you have the input, and it will log the IP address and the password into a file, users.dat. As you can see, I'll cat. So now you can see their passwords and username, and that's it for the video, guys. I hope you learned something. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye, take care.